All right, this will be your last video for the week for social studies. You should have everything on your paper completed by now, except for questions 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that's what we're going to talk about now. Number 9 says, who is the current governor of your state? If you've watched any of the news over the press conferences and why we aren't having school right now, then you would know who our governor is, and you've seen him before. But his name is Asa Hutchinson, and this is what he looks like. Asa Hutchinson. And he's been our governor since 2015. So for the past 5 years, he's been our governor. And this is how you spell his name. That way you can write it down. And I say Asa Hutchinson. Some people say Asa Hutchinson. Same thing. Okay. The next one says, how many representatives does Arkansas have in the House of Representatives? And we've talked about the House of Representatives before, and we should know that that's part of the legislative branch, and they deal with Congress and passing bills and all that stuff. But a representative is a person that represents your state. So we have 4 people that represent Arkansas, and those are our 4 representatives. Make sure you write that down on number 10, that we have 4. Number 11, when was your state accepted into the Union? So that's asking, when was Arkansas, when did it become a part of the United States? So Arkansas was actually the 25th state to become part of the United States. So we actually had 25 more after us, because there's 50. And Arkansas joined the United States on June 15th, 1836. So we've been a part of the United States for a long time now. And lastly, what is the population of your state? So we have a little over 3 million people in Arkansas. Sounds like a lot, but there's actually other states that have more than that. 3 million. So here's the answers for questions 9, 10, 11, and 12. Our state governor is Asa Hutchinson. We have 4 people that represent us in Congress. We have 3.014 million people in Arkansas, and that's of 2018. And then Arkansas joined the United States on June 15th, 1836, and we were the 25th state. Okay? So you should be completely done with your paper, and I will see you next week.